Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where you fail to play the test tone on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the Windows audio related services. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows audio service. Right click on the Windows audio service and then select restart. Now I won't click on restart, otherwise it will hamper this audio, but you have to click on restart. The next solution is to change the default test tone and the bit depth. So how will you do this? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select sound in the right pane and then click on the active speakers. Now here's the test button. Now this was not working, so it is selected 24-bit 48,000 hertz. You can change it to 24-bit 44,100 hertz and you can keep changing it, okay, to check if it will help. The next solution is to disable audio enhancements. Search for sound and click on okay, we'll go back to the sounds page. We'll just go to sound here. It is system and then sound to show you better. Scroll down and click on more sound settings. Right click on the active speaker and select properties. Go to the enhancements tab. Check the box associated with disable all enhancements. And the last solution will be to run the audio troubleshooters. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.